Hi guys, in this exciting tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful design on the dress by adding structure using crinoline. This is a very easy beginner friendly tutorial. Make sure you watch this video up to the end. So I'm going to be using crinoline and my fabric. So as you can see, I'm using crinoline that is not too stiff. So if you have crinoline that is not too stiff, I'll show you how to increase the stiffness. So to increase the stiffness, I'll just fold it 3 times. You can fold it 4 times if you wish, and then I'm going to cut it out. Then after cutting, I'm going to add bias binding at the edges because crinoline can be hurting, it can prick the body. So I'm just going to get my bias. If you don't have store-bought bias like this one, you can make your own. It's very easy to make. So I'm just going to go ahead and stitch on the top and at the bottom. Then after stitching, this is how it's going to look. As you can see, it's nicely encased in the bias. Then next, I'm going to get my fabric and I'll measure using my crinoline. Then I'm going to cut out. So after cutting out, I'm going to fold it the wrong sides, right sides facing each other. Then I'm going to stitch from the wrong sides there and there. I'll make an L-like stitch. So after stitching, I'm going to give it a good press. Then I'm going to turn it to the right side, as you can see. Then after turning it to the right sides, I'm going to get my crinoline and I'm going to start inserting it into my casing. So I'm just going to insert it. Then after inserting it, you can have this beautiful structured design that you can add on your dress or anything you wish. So this was just a tutorial and it's a small structure design that I made. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.